So now let's warm up the quad with a foam roller, and we're going to do this from a prone position. So get your soft surface and your foam roller, put it down, and then put one thigh down on the foam roller. And since this is a warm up, it's going to be a bit more active. So once you figure out where you're going to roll, you get down on it and you go back and forth. You can actively divide this into two parts, going up and down your quad, or even a third. I wouldn't suggest doing it in quarters, but if you really want to just be active and precise, you could also do quarters as well. And make sure that you're just going back and forth, avoiding bone, getting the meaty part of the muscle as you do this. One other thing you can do is add knee bends while your quad is on it. This is good in case you have like a little knot that you need to break up kind of quick, but just remember, short and light, because this is actually part of your warm-up. So you can just do these knee bends and then just continue rolling after you're done with that. And once you're done after 15 to 30 seconds, you're going to want to switch to the other side. So then you just get off of it, you push that foam roller over, you aim it onto your other thigh, and then you get into the proper position and you make sure your outer thigh is doing the work, helping you move back and forth, just kind of creating that momentum so the thigh that you're working on can get rolled out by the foam roller. And again, you go back and forth. You can do those knee bends to just get a little deeper into the muscle when you feel it's appropriate. It's super simple. It should be quick, nice and brisk. You can do this before a run, before you do strength training, anything that is heavy and challenging. Just make sure that it's brisk. I'll go over how to cool down in a future video with a foam roller, but this is more of the active style. Just nice and quick, shouldn't be that long, no longer than this video. And then once you're done with this, you can actually move on to another part of your leg.